These three AI tools are powerful enough to replace a full-time job, and they're already doing it for thousands of people. Let's dive in. First, ChatGPT. People are using it to write blogs, create email newsletters, and even script entire YouTube channels. If you charge just $50 per blog and write one a day, you're at $1,500 a month. Double that, and you're full-time. Second, 11 Labs. This tool turns any script into a high-quality voiceover. You can offer podcast intros, explainer videos, or YouTube narration on Fiverr or Upwork. Just 2 to 3 voiceovers per day at $30 each, and you're earning like a pro. Third, Pictory.ai. This one lets you turn scripts into full videos with stock footage, voiceover, and text. No editing skills needed. People are building full faceless YouTube businesses or selling videos to clients for $100 or more per clip. These aren't just tools, they're full-time income machines. Subscribe for more AI business ideas, tools, and tutorials. Let's build your freedom with AI.